let us start to find the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. Then suppose if you have a 3 by 3 matrix A as the A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. And you have to find, what you have to find? Find A inverse. So can we write on here, okay, we have, or we know that A into A inverse basically equal to what? Identity matrix. Or either you can say that B is the inverse of A, then after that you can write on AB equal to I, or you can write on this also, okay, A into A inverse equal to what? I. So what we have A here? क्या है A बताओ? A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. Okay. This into A inverse. This is equal to what? It is equal to the identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now the question is how to make this as an identity matrix. इसको आप कैसे लिख सकते हो? बुक्स में ऐसा भी लिखा गया कि AI equal to A, AI equal to A. You can follow this also. You can follow this also. इसमें भी कुछ इशू नहीं है. AI equal to A. If you follow this also, and जैसे इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो भी यही आएगा और इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो भी तो सेम ही आने वाला था. इतना इसमें सोचने वाली बात नहीं कि दोनों में से कौन चूज करना है. ओके. अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए क्या मेथड अप्लाई किया जाए ताकि सारे क्वेश्चन हमें सॉल्व मतलब इजीली सॉल्व हो जाए. दिस इज द वन. आई एम राइटिंग सम स्टेप्स हियर, उसको आपको फॉलो करना है. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप फर्स्ट make A11 equal to 1. This is step first. Make A11 equal to 1. Got it? With the help of A11 equal to 1, make A21 and A31 equal to 0. With the help of, or you can say using this transformation, using R2 tends to R2 plus minus some constant R1, and R3 tends to R3 plus minus some constant into R1. Okay, transformation. These two part clear, guys? कहाँ पे क्या करना है कि first we have to make A11 equal to 1. Anyhow, we have to make A11 equal to 1. When we will get A11 equal to 1, okay. So with the help of A11 equal to 1, we have to make A21 and A31 equal to 0. Using R2 tends to R2 plus minus k times of R1 and R3 tends to R3 plus minus k times of R1. Transformation. Step 2.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, bolo.
Sir, for the first step for making A11 1,
yeah,
can't we interchange rows? Like,
yeah,
what if A21 is already 1?
You can do all operation here. You can do all 3 operation related with row transformation. Or you can set a column transformation, but don't mix with all the things. मतलब column और row दोनों एक साथ में नहीं करो. If you are solving for the rows, means then throughout solve for the rows. If you are solving for the column, then throughout solve for the column, but don't mix the column and rows together. Clear with this? You can interchange बच्चा, you can, means I told you here कि मतलब 3 ऑपरेशन, जो भी 3 ऑपरेशन आपको दिया गया है, you can use any operation there and you make the A11 equal to 1. श्री वैष्णव क्लियर? कुछ भी ऑपरेशन कर सकते हो वहां पे.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now the case 2 is make A2 equal to 1. But here there is a condition कि don't play with, don't, for making this, ऐसा मैं एकदम पूरा क्लियर लिख देता हूँ, for making this don't play with R1. Why? I'll tell you later, don't worry about it. आपको पता चलेगा क्यों मैं ये बोला. Don't play with R1 means if you want to make A22 equal to 1, then you have to only option R3. Means with the help of R3 you have to make this equal to 1. Okay. Now after that, while if you get the 1, ऐसे मिल गया ना, ये तो आपको कंडीशन मैंने पुट कर दिया है कि इसके साथ आप ये मत करो, और नहीं तो इतना बड़ा मत लिखो आप लोगों को. यहाँ पे मैं एक स्टार लगा देता हूँ. Okay. The R1 के साथ कुछ नहीं करना. Okay, there is restriction on R1. So with the help of this one, with the help of A22 equal to 1, make A किसको 0 करना पड़ेगा? इस 1 के हेल्प से किसको 0 करना पड़ेगा? इसको और इसको 0 करना पड़ेगा. Yes, means this and this A12 and am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. कुछ नेटवर्क में इशू नहीं है ना? Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. So the make A12 and guys, A32 is equal to 0, A3 equal to 0 using which operation I have to talk about this. हमें क्या चाहिए? R1 के एलिमेंट चाहिए ना, 0. So R1 tends to R1 plus minus K times of किसके हेल्प से? R2 के हेल्प से, R2, and R3 के एलिमेंट 0 चाहिए, तो R3 tends to R3 plus minus K times of R2. Okay, this is the, you can say that the second step, transform, using this transformation. Now step 3, make A33 equal to 1, and there the only one method to make the A33 equal to 1. Okay, किस मेथड से कर सकते हैं बोलो? A33 equal to 1, and here the condition is don't play with the R1 and R2. R1 and R2 दोनों साथ नहीं आप प्ले कर सकते हो, कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, उसका कुछ मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन ही नहीं रहने वाला है. Then how can we make A33 equal to 1, sir? Yes, by direct division. By direct division means you have to use this thing R3 divided by some constant. Okay, so with the help of this you can get A33 equal to 1, and after this if you get the A33 equal to 1, the same thing with the help of okay, A33 equal to 1, make just a second, make A 3 1, not 1 3 1 1 3, A13 and A32 equal to 0 using R1 tends to R1 plus minus k times of R3, and R3 tends to, not R3, R2. R2 tends to R2 plus minus k times of R3. So this is all about the 3 steps. If you do these 3 steps correctly, you will get the correct inverse of the function, inverse of the matrix. Okay, you don't have to think for the other than this. There are no such any method, it is written in the book, but आप इसको इस तरह से आप अपने अंदर में एकदम दिमाग में रखिएगा, हमें पहले क्या करना है, सेकंड स्टेप में क्या करना है, थर्ड स्टेप में क्या करना है, you will get to know how to find out the inverse of any matrix. Clear with this? If any matrix fails, इस बनाने में, ऐसे बनाने मतलब इनवर्स बनाने में यदि फेल हो रहा है और नहीं मिल रहा है आपको ये 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, then you can say that उस मैट्रिक्स का इनवर्स नहीं पॉसिबल है, हो सकता है उस मैट्रिक्स का इनवर्स पॉसिबल नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, I will take that example also, so don't worry about it. The first take the snap, or if you want you can write it down at home. आप zoom करके इसको लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. Now can I proceed for the question, guys, of the 3x3 matrix? Can I? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's try to solve. There's the one question we have in this exercise 3x3. Yeah, this one. Listen, there's already one, so I'll not solve this question. This is the easy one. This is the 2 here, and this is the 2. Which question you want? Means 15 and 17. दोनों में से कौन सा क्वेश्चन करूँ मैं? आप लोग बताइए, 15 और 17 में से कौन सा क्वेश्चन करना है?
15.
15. Just it will take 10 minutes. Okay, so you have to be here for the next 10 minutes. Okay, well, we have to find the inverse of, just a second, guys. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. I'll assume that this is the what? This is the matrix A. Call पे call आता है, class के time पे दिमाग. So let's assume that this is the matrix A. ये matrix कितना है? A दिया हुआ है. Okay, I'll consider the matrix A. We consider B is the inverse of A. It means that the AB is equal to identity matrix. What is the A? A we have 2 minus 3, then 3, 2, 2, 3, then 3, minus 2, minus 2, then 2, into the B equal to identity. Identity matrix is what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, clear with this part, everyone? Now what is the first step? What is the first step? Make this equal to 1. How can we make this equal to 1? So if I want to make this equal to 1, so can I subtract 2 minus this? So can I, if I subtract 2 minus 3, we'll get what? Minus 1. And then after that, I'll multiply with the minus 1. So can I write on the R1 tends to R1 minus R3? Yes? Hello? And if you don't subtract like this now, the 3 minus 2 तो 1 होता है. You can flip this. Means R1 को R3 बना दो, R3 को R1 बना दो, उसके बाद 3 minus 2 कर लो. That is also the right. Okay? दोनों में से कुछ भी ऑपरेशन कर सकते हो. So if I do this operation here, तो कितना मिलेगा? 2 minus 3 is what? The minus 1. Minus 3 minus minus 2 कितना हो जाएगा? The minus 1. 3 minus 2, it is a 1. And there will be no change in the second row because हमने second row में कुछ transformation ही नहीं किया. Third row में भी कुछ नहीं transformation किया है. तो वो सेम रह जाएगा. Into b equal to same with this side also, दोनों साइड सेम ऑपरेशन करना है. So 1 minus 0 the 1, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 minus 1 कितना हो जाएगा -1. After that 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this is the first. Now if I want to make this equal to 1, I have to multiply with the -1. So r1 tends to, can I write on r1 into -1? So what we'll get here? We'll get the 1, the 1, the -1. Okay. Then b will get here the -1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. What about here? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, when you got this as a 1 now, then make these two equal to 0. How can we make these two equal to 0? I told you can apply the operation r2 tends to r2. Okay. The minus 2 times of r1 and r3 tends to r3 plus minus याद है? The minus 3 times of r1. Clear with this? So when you do this operation there, क्या मिल जाएगा? इस साइड में पहले रो में कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. 1 1 minus 1. There will be no change. Into b equal to, there will be no change here. -1 0 1. But change will be in the second row and third row. कैसे होगा फिर? Second row क्या कर रहा है कि r2 tends to r2 minus 2 times of r2 tends to r2 minus 2 times of r1. मतलब सबको डबल कर दो और माइनस कर लो. तो 2 minus 2 0, 2 minus 2 0 and 3 minus of -2 तो 5. ओके. अब 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर लो इसमें और इसमें से माइनस करो. तो 3 minus 3 0 और -2 minus 3 -5. 2 minus of -3 तो कितना हो जाएगा? +3. So it will become 5. Yes. What about here? The same operation. The r2 tends to, इसको क्या करना है इसमें? This minus double of this. So we'll get 2 here, the 1 here, and -2 here, and 3 times of this. The 0 minus of -3 3. Then you will get here again 0. The 1 minus of 1 minus 3 कितना हो जाएगा? -2. Now after this, what is the next step? We want this step equal to what? 1. Okay. Sri Vaishnav, are you in the class?
Yes, sir.
How can we make this equal to 1? If you want this element equal to 1, we cannot do any operation with
R2
this.
plus R1.
I told you that don't play with the R1. Remember? For making A22 equal to 1, don't play with the R1. I told you. If you play with the R1, R2 tends to, ये कितना हो जाएगा? 1 हो जाएगा? तो फिर इसका क्या फायदा? समझा? So don't play with the R1. So how can we make this equal to R1? So for that, can I interchange? If you interchange this, you have to some values here, na? Some non-zero values. इनको interchange कर दो. So can I write on here R2 tends to R2, R3 and R3 tends to R2. Means आपका first operation आप apply कीजिए. R2 को change करेंगे R3 में और R3 को change करेंगे R2 में. So what will next step you will get here? The 1 1 -1. Is there any background noise, guys? Yes.
Sir, very slightly though.
Okay, just
Like it's not disrupting the class.
okay. Now listen. So if you interchange this, so you will get 0 minus 5 and 5 after that 0 0 5. You will get 0 0 5 here. Into b equal to, what about this part? The -1 0 1, and you have to interchange this. So 3 0 -2 you will get here, and after that 2 1 and -2 you will get here. Now how to make this equal to 1? Again this question. But we don't have to do any operation with the R1. We have to do operation with the R3 only. We have only one option. But if you want to make this equal to 1 and there is no any, you can say the non-zero element, कुछ है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, तो कैसे वो इसको 1 बनाएंगे? इसमें तो कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते ऊपर वाले के साथ. Means आपको R3 के साथ ही करना है. कैसे कर सकते हैं? We don't have any option. If you don't have any option, तब उसके साथ क्या करना पड़ेगा? Divide by same. So can I write down R2 tends to R2 divided by -5? सर ये तो आपने R3 A33 के लिए बोला था. लेकिन जब कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचेगा देन यू कैन डू लाइक दिस। तो कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे बोलो, 1 1 -1 0 1 -1। ओके, व्हाट अबाउट हियर, यहाँ पे कितना आ जाएगा आपको, तो -1 0 1 3 by -5, yes it is 3 by 3 upon -5 और -3 by 5 ले लो, यहाँ पे कितना आएगा 0 and 2 by 5। आफ्टर दैट 0 0 0 0 5 0 0 5 डन। क्या होगा यहाँ पे 0 0 5 आफ्टर दैट गाइस 2 1 2 1 -2। एक एलिमेंट से पूरा इनवर्स गलत हो सकता है, तो ध्यान रखना इन चीजों पे। आफ्टर दैट इफ यू गेट दिस एज अ 1 यू हैव टू मेक दिस इक्वल टू व्हाट 0। नीचे और ऊपर दोनों को 0 पर करना पड़ेगा, तो ऑलरेडी दिस इज अ 0, यहाँ यू हैव टू मेक दिस इक्वल टू 0। तो कैसे 0 किया जाएगा ऊपर वाले को, so can I write on r1 tends to r1 minus r2, so when you take the difference, okay, when you do this operation ऊपर वाले इसका कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, r1 tends to r1 minus r2, here you will get 0 and what about here, here again you will get 0। okay, then after that 0 1 -1 0 0, sorry b is missing here, b 0 0 5 into b is equal to, now what about this, after this ये वाला पार्ट कितना हो जाएगा, r1 tends to r1 minus this, so you will get -2 by 5 here, -5 plus 3, what about here you will get 0, what about here 1 minus 2 by 5, 1 minus 2 by 5 is 3 by 5, after that you will get -3 by 5 here, then there will be no change, सब जगह पे सेम रहेगा, then 2 1 -2। now next when you got this these two 0, तो अभी क्या करना, नेक्स्ट स्टेप you have to make this equal to 1, and I told you if you want to make 8 3 3 equal to 1 don't play with the r1 and r2, means you don't have any option। यदि कुछ ऑप्शन ही नहीं है मेरे पास, तो I'll if I have to make a मतलब this as a 1, I'll divide this with the same constant, okay, the r3 tends to r3 divided by 5, so if you divide this you will get basically 1 0 0 0 1 -1 0 0 1, okay, into b equal to, now you will get here -2 by 5, then 0 3 by 5, okay, what about here -3 by 5 0, then 2 by 5, okay, then what about here किसे डिवाइड किया था 5 से, 2 by 5 1 by 5 and -2 by 5। further this, if you got this as a 1, if you got this as a 1, with the help of this you have to make these two 0, already one there is the 0, तो r2 को 0 करना पड़ेगा, तो can you write on r2 tends to r2 plus r3, so when you do the r2 tends to r2 plus r3 you will get कितना आ जाएगा 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, क्लियर, into b is equal to, ऐड करो तो इन दोनों को करना आता है, just a second guys, I'm getting call, just a second, okay, so 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, then times of b equal to, what about here we have to do the same operation here, so -2 by 5 -2 by 5, then 0 3 by 5, what about here we have to do the addition here, so when you do the addition the -3 by 5 and +2 by 5 कितना हो जाएगा, that will be equal to -1 by 5, what about here the 1 by 5, और यहाँ पे करोगे तो कितना आ जाएगा 0, this part will be the same 2 by 5, the 1 by 5 and -2 by 5, so this is all about your inverse। now it becomes what, identity, so you will get b equal to the a inverse, because this become identity now, this will become I, so I into b is b equal to basically a inverse, and then the answer for this question is -2 by 5 0 3 by 5, okay, -1 by 5 1 by 5, okay, 0, the 2 by 5 1 by 5 and -2 by 5। there will be the possible that कि कहीं पे एक कैलकुलेशन एरर हो सकता है, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता नहीं, लेकिन कैलकुलेशन, बट this procedure you have to follow for the your solving the we can say that inverse. Means this is the process, only one method I can say that. नहीं आपको और मेथड कोई करना है तो करो, आई डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, बट यू आपका आंसर सेम आना चाहिए, बट दिस इज द मैं बोलोगे स्टेबल मेथड है जिसमें आपको कौन किस जगह पे कैसा करना है वो फॉलो कीजिए, यू विल गेट द आंसर. Am I clear with this, everyone?